Do you need to back up emails from your Office 365 account? This demo video shows you how to back up Office 365 data to your computer or hard drive hassle-free. Through this video, I will tell you how to convert and download Office 365 emails into different multiple file formats like PST, EML, Gmail, Yahoo, MSG, Mbox, HTML, etc. on a desktop. Let's check out the best solution for this. DRS Office 365 backup software is the most secure solution for storing Office 365 items like emails, contacts, calendars, etc. into other email clients such as Gmail, Thunderbird, Yahoo, AOL, etc. Now have a look at the main features of DRS Office 365 Backup Tool. The software backup and saves Office 365 mailbox items in PST, Mbox, EML, MSG, MHTML, etc. file format. It offers you to directly convert Office 365 emails to other email clients like Gmail, Yahoo, Thunderbird, Hotmail, etc. You can apply mail filter and task filter option to choose Office 365 data that belongs to a specific date range. Offers date range filter option. Exports Office 365 email data by keeping data structure and folder hierarchy. Maintains data structure and folder hierarchy. Runs on all the versions of Windows operating system. Support for Windows 10 8.1/8/7/Vista/XP/2000/98/NT/95. Now let's learn the working process of the software. Download, install and run. For better results, it is recommended to run the tool as administrator. The software opens with a user-friendly GUI. Here choose Office 365 backup option to proceed with the backup process. Provide destination path and temporary path. Click the next button to proceed. Now enter the login credentials of your Office 365 account. Remember to use the third-party app password to log in. If you don't have an app password, then click the mentioned link to learn how to create and use the third-party app password. You can choose to assign impersonation rights and click the sign in button. Now choose the mailboxes that you want to back up or click the select all button. After that, choose the backup option and click next to continue. Now choose the Office 365 items that you want to export and click next. Select the email format or email client for saving the backup. Here, we have selected EML for explaining the process. If you want to remove duplicate emails, then tick the checkbox Remove Duplicate Mails. If you want to save emails from a specific date range, then tick the checkbox Mail Filter and Task Filter option. Enter start and end date as parameters. You can also add a custom folder name. For that, choose the custom folder name option. You can also rename the output files. For that, opt naming convention feature from the software. After that, enter the path to save the output file. Then, click on the convert button to start the backup process. Now, the export process will get started. Wait for its completion. After the completion of the process, you can download the report or choose to convert again. If not, then exit and close the application. Thank you for watching the video. For more updates, subscribe to the channel. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.